monkey on the treetop high, eating fruits beneath the sky. Crocodile in waters wide, slowly swims with calmest tide. Monkey sees the croc below, friends they are as rivers flow, sharing tales both near and far, dreams of reaching for the star. Monkey swings and crocky glides, side by side on life's long rides. Friends so true they never part, bond of joy within their heart. Croc invites the monkey down, where the river softly sounds. Monkey hops to Croc's broad back, trusting friend, no need to lack. Through the waters they explore, laughs and whispers always more. Jungle songs they sing in glee, happy as friends ought to be. Day by day they share their dreams, underneath the sun's warm beams, bound by trust that won't let go, in this river's gentle flow. Monkey swings and crocky glides, side by side on life's long rides. Friends so true they never part, bond of joy within their heart. Monkey swings and crocky glides, he glides, side by side on life's long ride. Side by side on life's long ride. Friends so true they never part, and so true they never part, joy within their heart. Croc invites the monkey down, where the river softly sounds. Monkey hops to Croc's broad back, trusting friend, no need to lack.